The ExpertBook B9450 is available in this dark blue color with this sort of sparkling finishing. The materials feel a bit rough to the touch and sound a little weird as well, but at the same time they also seem to hide smudges and finger oil very well, and hopefully, will also age nicely. Asus ExpertBook B9450 14-inch business laptop as of early 2020, and yes, it weighs less than a kilo even in its bigger battery version, or under 900 grams if you opt for the smaller battery configuration with the Intel Core i7-10510U processor, 16 GB of LPDDR3 RAM and 2 TB of storage in RAID. Lower tier versions start with a Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and while less storage is acceptable, you're forced to get the i7 configuration in order to also get 16 GB of RAM on this device. The ExpertBook B9450 is built on an Intel Comet Lake Core U hardware platform and gets an up to quad-core i7-10510U processor, 16 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage in RAID, which is exactly the configuration we have for our tests.